Interested in the Kelvin temperature scale is that all chemistry can be done using Kelvin. A lot of chemistry can also be done using degrees Celsius, and we typically measure temperatures in degrees Celsius. And when we measure in degrees Celsius, we have to do a conversion, and the conversion is a little different than some of the other ones. Question, will the lab be recorded? Yes, the lab will be recorded. And let me say this, everything is recorded by me to the best of my ability. So there can be technical issues, but I do plan on recording the lab. Kelvin is K, and Kelvin is not degrees Kelvin, it is just Kelvin. So you don't need a degree symbol there. Think of Kelvin more like meters, so there's no degrees to it. And Kelvin is going to equal degrees Celsius plus 273.15. And the Kelvin and so if we're going to convert a number from Kelvin to degrees Celsius, we'll plug into this equation. Plugging into this equation, I'm going to put 491.2 Kelvin as my Kelvin value. I don't know my degrees Celsius. And then I can solve for my degrees Celsius by subtracting 273.15 from both sides. You can see that my 273.15 cancels from one side, and then if I do the subtraction, I will have the value that is equal to my degrees Celsius. It will be helpful to have a calculator present for all of these calculations. I'm going to use mine. This calculator, by the way, is more than enough, or it's the perfect calculator because it's inexpensive and it does everything we need. So 491.2 minus 273.15 is 218.05. Where, because there's only the tenths place in the top number, I am going to go ahead and round this to the tenths place. And so the best answer is 218.1 because the point, you can't see my other number there. Yeah. The 218.05 rounds up to 218.1 degrees Celsius. Although you'll find that when you enter it into the homework on Blackboard, actually the difference between 218.05 and 218.1 is not something that I can account for. So either answer would be fine. Are there any questions about this question, homework 02-01?